Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see lesson 5, poem 3, CBSE Hindi, poem 3, Chand Ka Kurta. This is for class 5 CBSE. Like, share, subscribe my channel for the lessons of class 5 Hindi CBSE. You can go through my YouTube playlist. Now we will go to the poem Chand Ka Kurta. Chand means moon, kurta means dress. So the moon is wearing a dress. Here the baby moon is communicating with its mother emotionally. That is this poem Chand Ka Kurta. हटकर बैठा चांद एक दिन माता से यह बोला सिलवा दो माँ मुझे ऊन का मोटा एक जिंगोला. So the baby moon, it is getting angry. When children gets angry, they want whatever they said. They will not compromise on that. Be stubborn or restrict to only that particular sentence. So here the moon is also very stubborn. It is speaking with its mother. It is asking its mother. The baby moon is asking the mother moon, give me a dress. सिलवा दो माँ, you stitch me a dress. मुझे ऊन का मोटा एक जिंगोला. Wool means we know it is wool. Mota means thick wool. Thick wool you stitch a dress of thick wool which is made of thick wool. What dress? A loose small shirt or a frock you can keep for a young baby or a small child. That is jingola. A dress for a loose dress for a small child is jingola. It is like kurta. So the baby moon is asking, stitch me a dress. हटकर बैठा चांद एक दिन माता से यह बोला सिलवा दो माँ मुझे ऊन का मोटा एक जिंगोला. सन सन चलती हवा रात भर जोड़े से मरता हूँ टिटर टिटर कर किसी तरह यात्रा पूरी करता हूँ. सन सन चलती हवा रात भर. So when the wind is blowing very fast or with lot of sound, that is san san chalti hawa. Hawa is air or wind which is very heavy. Whistling, it is whistling and making the sound as though it seems. So san san chalti hawa raat bhar, full of throughout the night, full night. The wind is blowing heavily. जोड़े से मरता हूँ. I am freezing with cold and dying out of the cold. Freezing cold, I am dying. The baby moon is saying its mother, I am dying with the freezing cold because the wind is very heavy throughout the night. टिटर टिटर कर किसी तरह यात्रा पूरी करता हूँ. टिटर टिटर कर means shivering with lot of shivering. टिटर टिटर कर किसी तरह यात्रा पूरी करता हूँ. So I tremble and I shiver throughout the night and I complete the night. So I complete the journey all the way by shivering or trembling because of the wind. आसमान का सफर और यह मौसम है झाड़े का. Journey or the trip through the sky is very cold. Apart from the wind, the season is also very cold. Mausan means season. Jade means winter season, cold season. So the wind and the season both are making me very cold. Na ho agar to ला दो कुर्ता ही कोई बाड़े का. If you are unable to stitch a dress for me, then get some rented dress or hired dress for me immediately. The baby moon is saying its mother, get me a hired dress immediately because I am unable to bear the cold. I am unable to bear the cold. बच्चे की सुन बात कहा माता ने अरे सलोने. So the baby is always pet for his or her mother. So the mother is loving the baby. It is saying pretty moon, beautiful moon, cute baby. You are correct. Your words seems to be right. Kusal kare Bhagwan. May God save you. May God save and keep you well. लगे मत तुमको राजू जादू टोने. लगे मत तुझको जादू टोने means may you not be affected by black magic or evil spirits, evil spells. You be safe. I will pray and let the God bless you. You are so pretty and my beautiful cute baby. Let the God protect you and you not be affected by magic things. The mother is saying the baby moon. She is giving concerns and loving words for her baby. You be safe and let the God protect you and you not be affected by evil things. जाड़े की तो बात ठीक है पर मैं तो डरती हूँ. You are correct in your words. The winter is very cold. I accept that. पर मैं तो डरती हूँ. But I am afraid. The mother is saying to the baby moon, whatever you are saying about the cold and the climate and the season and the wind, all that is correct. I agree to that. But I am frightened of एक नाप में कभी नहीं तुझको देखा करती हूँ. एक नाप में कभी नहीं तुझको देखा करती हूँ. You are not in one shape, so I am afraid of that. You keep changing the shape. We all know that the moon always change the shape. During Amavasya, it completely hides itself. We cannot see the moon. On Purnima, it is in full shape. So we can see the full moon on Purnima day. So for this I am frightened. Why she is frightened? In what measurement will she stitch the dress? The baby is suffering, but how to make him comfortable with the dress? So for that thought, the mother is getting frightened. She is consoling the baby moon. Mother is consoling the baby moon. अभी एक अंगुल भर चौड़ा कभी एक फुट मोटा. So sometimes you are one finger width. So we can see the width of our finger by taking one finger. So you are of that size at one time. You are broad by by the width of one finger sometime. Sometime you are thick as our foot. We can see our foot. You are so thick as the foot. कभी एक अंगुल भर चौड़ा. अंगुल means one finger. एक अंगुल means one finger. चौड़ा. You are wide. And sometimes you are thick as our foot. कभी एक foot मोटा. बड़ा किसी दिन हो जाता है और किसी दिन छोटा. So some days you become big. बड़ा means big and sometimes small. छोटा means small. बड़ा किसी दिन हो जाता है और किसी दिन छोटा. Some days you become small, some days you become big. घटता बढ़ता रोज किसी दिन ऐसा भी करता है. घटता बढ़ता means you increase and decrease as the days pass. Some days you increase yourself, some days you decrease yourself. So every day there is change in the shape of the moon. The mother is saying the baby moon. नहीं किसी की भी आंखों को दिखाई पड़ता है. Sometimes you vanish, you hide yourself, you don't get visible for everybody's eyes. On Amavasya then the moon gets vanishes, you cannot see the moon. The mother is saying the baby moon. अब तू ही बता नाप तेरी किस रोज लिवाए. You only tell me now. Mother is saying the baby moon. You only tell me now. Which day measurement should I take for the dress? Naap means measurement or the size. Which size should I get for you? Because you keep increasing, decreasing. Someday you don't make yourself visible. Someday you are one finger with size. Sometimes you are the size of foot thick. Sometimes you become big, sometimes you become small. Like that mother is saying to the baby moon, you only tell me which day measurement should I take and get a dress for you. सीधे एक जिंगोला जो हर रोज बदन में आए. So how to stitch a jingola? Jingola means loose small shirt or a tunic worn by a young baby or a child. That is jingola. Jingola is a loose dress. We can assume in that way. A shirt, a kurta, loose kurta, which fit you every day. Har roz means every day. A loose kurta, how to stitch that you can wear it every day and get fit for you every day. You only tell me. The mother moon is asking the baby moon, you tell me which day. The mother is asking the baby moon which day measurement should I take so that the dress fits you every day. This is the poem by Ramdari Singh Dinkarji. It's a very enjoyable poem where a mother is communicating with her baby, and baby is communicating with the mother with all the emotions for a dress. As it happens every day in all the houses, the baby say we want this dress, mother says this dress would be good for you. Similarly, there is some communication by the mother and the moon regarding a dress. Hope you all enjoyed watching the session. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. For all the lessons of class 5 Hindi, you can watch my YouTube playlist. Happy learning. Thank you.